Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we'll be doing another lead code problem 92 reverse linked list 2. We have already done reverse linked list 1. This is the medium one. Given the add of the singly linked list and two integers left and right, so reverse the left to right nodes, and where left should be less than right. So we are given a head of the linked list, and this is the linked list. For example, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are given left is equal to 2, right is equal to 4. We have left and right node which is from 2 3 4, and we want to reverse these nodes and the nodes between them. So 2 to 4, all nodes before all nodes in between these nodes are going to be reversed. So that's it. So first of all, we'll be making a dummy pointer which will help in the case what if they say reverse 1 to 4 nodes. So we have a dummy pointer that will be having the address of the head. So we will just change our head accordingly, and we'll be having a previous, let's call it L previous. I will tell you why we are doing this, which will be pointing to dummy, and current will be pointing to the head. So previous, by the name it shows, it will be going behind the current node. So for I in range, we will go till left -1, because if we are starting from the very first, then we are not going to take two steps. L is equal to 2. If we take two steps, we are going to be at 3. Current pointer is going to become at 3, but we'll be doing is just doing -1. So L should be here at 2, left should be at 2, but we are not going to be at 2. We will be just stopping at 1. So starting from 1 and then stopping at 2. So I got confused for a second there. So L previous will be the current, because it is going behind, and current is equal to current dot next. So our current at this position, this point, is going to be at 2, and previous is going to be at 1. We have found the left, you can say the left limit or the left node from where we are going to start our reversal. We will be making a previous pointer which will be pointing which will be just none, empty, nothing. So for I in range, we want from here we will start our reversal. We will go till right minus left plus 1, because right is going to be 4, and if we do 4 minus 2, it will be giving us 2. So the current will only be updated two times. 4 2 to 3 one time, 3 to 4 two times, and we'll be doing plus 1 because we want to go one node ahead. Whenever we reverse a linked list, we always go till the end, not to the last node. So that's why we are going to do plus 1. So the current at the very end of this for loop is going to be at 5. So now just doing our reversal, just make a next, in which you can say like current dot next is equal next is equal to current dot next, and then current dot next is equal to previous, and previous is equal to current, and then the current should be pointing to the next node. So current is equal to next. Okay, so we are basically done, but we have to do this because the reversal is done, but we know that in the left previous, which is left previous was at 1, and it will be pointing to 2. So this 2 should point to 5. So left previous, which was at 1, is pointing to 2, and now we are at 2, and if we do dot next, it will go like 2 dot next. So it will take like the reference of 5 and just put it in 2. So we will say like current. So L previous at 1, its next is going to be 2, and its next is going to be appended by 5, which is the current, and we want our last node, which was 4. So L previous dot next now should be So this L previous is at 1, so this node should point to 4, which we luckily we have this 4 node reference is previous, and after that we can just return the dummy dot next. So that's it. Previous current dot next. What is the current? Okay. Okay, again a type mistakes. So many type mistakes. So if we have a linked list like this, let's just take this example and quickly run through it. So we have a dummy pointer at the very first, and previous is at the dummy pointer, and current is next to it. So we'll be moving it for one time because left minus one obviously, and then we are going to have our current on the node which from where we are going to start our reversal. We will be moving, we will be calling it LP because it was LP was behind the current one. So now our current is at 2, LP is at 1. We will be making another previous which is going to be at none, and till the this previous not this previous but this current is not, you can say, null. In the reversal we say null, but it is just going through the limits left minus right plus 1. Current will reach 5, and previous is going to be behind 5, the previous node we just made here. And now we know that this LP is pointing to 2. So we will do the LP dot next, which will be 2 dot next should have the reference of 5. So it will, luckily we have 5 at current, and LP dot next should be equal to previous because LP itself is 1, and now the linked list and previous you have 4, so now the linked list will look like 4 3 to 5. So that's it.